Hi, Elaine here with WTI. I have found this beautiful slim gold end table by Jbikao. I was happy to receive this table as I have low seated furniture in my house, so the petite size of this table worked great in so many spaces in my home. I was impressed with the care of the packaging. Such a small detail as wrapping the ends helped keep this beautiful gold finish arriving to my house in perfect condition. And I also love when home items are so easy to put together. And this table by Jbikao went together in less than 10 minutes. This slim size is a perfect fit for any living room, or really can be just the right fit to brighten up an entryway with a light and airy look. Don't let this slim size fool you though. It holds many items while serving as an end table in my reading nook, where I can relax with a great cup of tea. So whether you're looking for an end table for your bedroom, something for your living room, your entryway, this slim gold end table can fit your needs. I love it, I recommend it, and that's just my point of view.